Immediate past president of the Jamaica Teachers Association, Jasford Gabriel, is anticipating a successful resumption of in-person classes in January if the COVID-19 pandemic does not worsen over the Christmas holidays. Scores of primary, basic and infant schools and some high schools have reopened for classes. The Ministry of Education has said high schools should achieve at least a 65% vaccination rate before full resumption of classes. Mr. Gabriel, who is principal of Manchester High School in Mandeville, says while many schools across the country are unsure about their readiness for the resumption of face-to-face classes in January, his school is ready.
The take-up of vaccination has been going quite well, so I'm looking forward for face-to-face rollout come January at Manchester High School. Thankfully, though I was off, the administration and staff, parents have done a tremendous job. We were able to engage in excess of 90% of our students online, and so we have not had challenges to the same extent like most of our schools would have. And what our students and teachers and all stakeholders are looking forward to now is face-to-face engagement and interaction, and hopefully keeping our fingers crossed that January we'll be able to facilitate that.